Can you answer this question? Are you happy with where your life is right now? Nice. Now, be honest. Did you improve your speaking skill today? Or are you just watching English videos? Not today. Today, you speak with me. So imagine you're sitting with me, we're talking. Pause the video, speak out loud, then continue. Ready? Let's begin. So, let me ask you something real. Are you happy with where your life is right now? What is the thing that bothers you the most these days? And have you been thinking about changing it? Why is it so difficult to change it? That makes sense. But let me ask you something more personal. If nothing was stopping you, what would you change first? Interesting. And what's holding you back right now? So basically, you already know what you want, but something is stopping you. If you keep waiting, do you think anything will change? So, what would be a small step you can take this week? Good. That's exactly how real change starts. Let me ask you one more thing. Do you think people change because they're ready or because they're forced by life? I like your answer. So, tell me something. Did you notice how you were actually speaking English, not just studying it? That's the difference. English is not knowledge, it's expression. And if you repeat this kind of speaking practice, you won't need to think so much anymore. You'll just speak. Now tell me, what was your answer to the hardest question?